Good evening, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna go test out the GTO. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do any hard launches or anything. I'm just gonna test it out, and then I'm gonna get down on it because it was breaking up on high RPMs. So I just want to test that out and just kind of drive it and just see if I fix the issues or not. So let's go. So as you see in the video, the car's still doing the same thing. I don't know how well you heard it, but what was going on, like when I pressed the pedal down, it like the car hesitates and it like won't even move, and then all of a sudden it'll catch up and it'll go. So it does that quite frequently, and usually that's when it's breaking up, when it does pick up and go, or when it's trying to go. So still got more work to do on the GTO. Don't know how I'm gonna fit the time in. I might just drop it off at a shop and see if they can take care of it for me. Sorry, this was a short video. Just want to give you an update on the GTO and drive it so you can see it. Thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button if you haven't. Click that notification bell and check out my next videos. I should be finishing the C10 up pretty soon. So check out the videos of the C10 and I'll see you in the next video.